Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a haul video. Actually, it's gonna be a huge haul video of skincare and hair care products from Clovia Botanica. And you know guys, Clovia has been one of my favorite lingerie brands from years now, and I've loved their quality, design and style. And actually I own a lot of items like lingerie and nightwear from Clovia only. And you know guys, this year only Clovia has launched its new range of skincare products by the name Clovia Botanica. And you know, when I heard this thing, I just went to the website and shopped a lot. Like, I literally shopped a lot. Wait, I'll show you. Just see how much I shopped from Clovia. These boxes are full of skincare and hair care products, and I was super duper excited to try these out, and I loved them. Okay guys, so let's get started with the haul video, and I'm going to start this video from my favorite product in this whole haul, which is this Clovia Botanica Pink Clay Face Mask. So you know guys, जब मैं उनकी वेबसाइट पे गई थी to check out these products, मैंने ये product देखा था and I was super excited to try it out, and I literally love this product. And you know, talking about the ingredients of this pink clay mask, इसमें Himalayan clay है, Australian clay है, pomegranate है, and you know, these products are meant to give you a very instant glow. And talking about the smell of this product, it is super amazing. Like, I loved the smell of this product also. And you know guys, it helps to give you a very smooth and clear skin and helps in toning and firming skin cells. एंड यू नो, क्लोविया बोटानिका ने इस पिंक क्ले फेस मास्क के साथ दो फेस मास्क और लॉन्च किए, विच इज दिस matcha टी फेस मास्क एंड द अनदर वन इज एंटी एक्ने फेस मास्क. And you know guys, I've tried this matcha tea face mask, and the ingredients of this product are so good. It contains aloe vera and matcha green tea and also seaweed. And you know, these ingredients are so good to revitalize and rejuvenate your skin. And talking about the anti-acne face mask, this mask is so good if you have acne prone skin. And talking about the ingredients, इसमें मुल्तानी मिट्टी है, vitamin C and vitamin E, which will, you know, help to treat your acne and also will give you a very nice glow. And you know, all the products from Clovia Botanica are made with natural plant-based ingredients that are loaded with Ayurvedic goodness and are really good for skin. So now the next product in this haul is this nourishing body butter from Clovia Botanica. It is so good. This body butter is enriched with organic extracts like aloe vera, argan oil and vitamin C that leaves your skin feeling calm, soft and supple. And you know, इस nourishing body butter के साथ I have got these two other body butters also, which is this deep hydrating body butter and another one is this calming body butter. I have tried out their deep hydrating body butter and nourishing body butter, but I have not yet tried out their calming body butter. I am so excited to try it out also. But these two body butters are too good, and all the products from Clovia Botanica are free from toxins, chemicals, and these are free from parabens and sulfates also. So you can definitely try out. The texture of this body butter is so good, and after using this body butter, my skin feels so soft. So the next product is this anti-acne face wash from Clovia Botanica, and this face wash is so good. It cleanses my skin so thoroughly, and it contains ingredients like tea tree oil, clove oil and vitamin E. And you know, if you have acne prone skin, then you should definitely try out this face wash, because it will help to control acne and will give you very clear skin. So the next product in this haul is this vitamin C face serum. And you know, talking about the ingredients, it contains vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and aloe vera, which will, you know, help to brighten and nourish your skin. Also guys, I got these two body washes from Clovia Botanica. First is this calming body wash and another one is this energizing body wash. These two body washes are too good. Also, when I use these body washes, my skin feels so hydrated, moisturized and smooth. And what I used to do, I also top it up with deep hydrating body butter or nourishing body butter, and my skin feels like heaven. So I also ordered two hair care products from Clovia Botanica. The first one is this 10-in-1 hair fall control oil. Now I have used this oil 2 times and I really cannot say about hair fall control, but yes, after using this hair oil, my hair feels very smooth, silky and frizz free. And also, when I use this hair oil, I also use this anti hair fall conditioner, which, you know, helps to control my frizz. And you know, it contains jojoba, rosemary, vitamin E and keratin, which, you know, helps to make your hair very smooth and silky. So yeah, if you have frizzy hair and if you are facing hair fall problem, then you should definitely try out these products. Also, I got this no stretch mark oil from Clovia Botanica, and you know it contains really good ingredients like argan oil, jojoba, almond oil, and it helps to lighten your scars and stretch marks. And the next product is this 8-in-1 breast firming oil, and it will help to restore elasticity and firms and hydrates breast skin. So you can check out these products at their official website clovia.com, and you can also use my code to get additional 10% off. And also Clovia Botanica products are available at these websites also, but my code will be applicable only on their official website, which is clovia.com. So yeah guys, that's it for today's haul video. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Also follow me on Instagram because a huge giveaway is coming soon in this week or next week. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.